Easy shot, 30 yards. Dead pig, dead pig. Bullseye. It is. Okay, this one's kind of center mass. All right, 41 right here. A little left, huh?
Probably dead though.
Yeah. A little left, about
Awesome.
3 inches. Here we go, this time. Same place.
Yeah, that's a good group though.
Well, maybe losing some more money.
What was the yardage? 40?
49.
It was 49?
No, it's 41.
Yeah.
41 from where we're at. Miss it, miss it.
With the angle?
Miss it, miss it, miss it.
Am I in there?
I don't know.
Dead. Looks in there.
Dead. Luck. Luck.
Alright, here we go.
61-yard shot.
Look at this shot, guys. Clear down this steep hill.
Got to be about a 30-degree angle.
Where is he?
60-yard shot. We're shooting it for 40.
Monster buck down there. It's how far?
60, and we're shooting it for 40.
60, we're shooting 40. You can see I got 2 arrows right in there. One good one. Oh, and you got him.
Oh, he did. He did. He did. As Brian would say with the mouse, we got him. We got him.
Oh, man.